So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Tori. Today in this video I am going to share Radha Rani makeup look. So it's one most requested video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button for never missing any new updates. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I am applying moisturizer. And now I am applying primer. Now I am filling my brows with mascara. Now I am applying concealer on my eyelid. Now I am blending it properly. Then I am applying loose powder for setting this concealer on my eyelid. Now guys, I have started my eye makeup. So first of all, I am applying one light green color as a transition shade. Now guys, I am applying one blue color on my crease and I am blending it properly. Now guys, I am making cut crease with the help of concealer on my eyelid. Now guys, I have picked one purplish pink tone and then I'm applying it on my full over eyelid. Now I'm making one cut crease for one more time on my middle of the eyelid. Now I'm applying one golden shade on my middle of the eyelid. Now I'm applying glitter eyeliner on my crease. Now I'm applying eyeliner, winged eyeliner. Full details of the products which I have used for creating this look I will give in the description box, so don't forget to check out my description box. So now guys, I am applying Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. So guys, I have applied eyelash for the Radha look. Now I am applying foundation on my full face. And now I am blending it properly. Now I am applying concealer in my under eye area and in all the highlighted points. Okay, so now I am blending this concealer properly. Now I am setting my full base with the help of loose powder. Now guys, I am doing contouring. And now I am applying blusher on my apple of the cheeks. Now guys, I am contouring my nose. Now I am applying highlighter in my highlighted points. guys, it's my final look. वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा एंड हैप्पी जन्माष्टमी टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सो और क्या वीडियो चाहिए आपको कमेंट करना, एंड अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना एंड बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करना, मेरा वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना एंड कमेंट करना आपको क्या चाहिए। तो हैप्पी जन्माष्टमी टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर वन मोर टाइम्स। सो ये वीडियो एक रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है, इसलिए मैं ये वीडियो बनाई हूँ। तो कैसे लगा ज़रूर कमेंट करना। बाय बाय।